we are going to see what should be subtracted from a number to get a perfect square. We have taken number 2490. We have to see what should be subtracted from this to make it a perfect square. Let us find the square root by division method. We have made pair like this. Now we will take 3 3 is 9, very small, then this 4 4 is 16 and 5 5 is 25. 25 is greater than this, then we will take 4 times here. 4 4 is 16. We will add here 4 plus 4 8. We will subtract 14 minus 6 8. We will write down 90 this pair from here. Now we will check what number we can take with this 8. Let us take 8 and multiply it by 8. 8 is 64. 8 is 64 and 670. 704. Let us check it with 9. 9 9 is 81. 9 8 is 72 plus 8 80. 801 we are getting. 9 times. 9 9 18 819. We can see that I am adding this plus this and getting this. We can also get this by multiplying this by 2. 49 2 is 98. Now we will subtract 10 minus 1 9 and this will be 8. 89 we are getting. Therefore 89 should be subtracted from this to make it a perfect square. 2490 minus 89, we are getting 10 minus 9 1. 8 minus 8 0 means we are getting 2401. This is the perfect square obtained by subtracting this. We can check whether it is a perfect square or not by finding its square root. Now we are going to see what should be added to this number. That is, what should be added to this to make it a perfect square. Again we will start 4 4 ja 16, 4 plus 4 8 here, 14 minus 6 8, 9 0 in 9 times. We have got here 9 9 is 81, 9 8 is 72 and 80, 10 minus 1 9 and 8 89. We can see we are having some remainder here. It means this number is greater than square of this 49 and less than the square of next number, that is square of 50. Means this is between the square of 49 and 50. Means now we will see what should be added to this to make it a square of 50. Means number to be added to make it a perfect square is equal to 50 square minus 2490. 50 square is 2500 minus 2490. We will get 10. Means if we add 10 to this, we will get a perfect square. And the perfect square will be this square of 50, that is 2500. In this way, we have seen what should be added or subtracted to a given number to make it a perfect square. Some question for practice. What should be added to? Question is, what should be added to 4 9 9 8 to make it a perfect square? And second question is, what should be subtracted from 3781 to make it a perfect square? These are the two questions for practice.